it's Pam, and this is Pam's Wig Adventure. So today I have modern Beachy, and this is WhisperLite fabric, and it is caramel melt, caramel brown melt, and it's F12 240 pound 8, and I have had this for a while, and I found this. I pulled it out. And it's sort of in that long and layered, I think that is the caramel brown melt I have also. And so I found this and I was like, wow, I haven't even worn this one yet. So pulled it out. I tried to comb it out a little bit, but we're gonna wet her up and see what she looks like and try to get her on. All right, so let's take a look. She has felt. Yeah, it's nice and felt. She's got regular ear tabs. And she has a regular extended nape. Let's see how stretchy she is. Yeah, she's got really good stretch. And this is the WhisperLite fabric. So this is really nice and light. Okay. I don't know if you could see the color. She looks a little dry, doesn't she? That's why we're gonna wet her up. Okay. So let me put my cap on. You know, I use the Milano wig grip cap. It's always a mouthful to say. She's not a front lace, so I'm not putting the lace one on. I'm gonna just tighten this up. Okay. And I'm gonna shake her up a little bit. I haven't done that to mine in a while, but she really seems like she needs to be loosened up a little bit. All right, and I did try to comb her out, so it's probably gonna be that I messed her up, but that's okay because I think she needs it. Gonna put her on really tight on the back. Yeah, I think she needs it. All right, so I'm gonna do like I used to do back a few months ago. Do my normal treatment, wet her, get all this, lots of permatease in here, loosen all this up, do some of my early treatments. Kind of got away from this a little bit with some of these styles, and I don't think I'm getting the most out of them that I could be. This one, she has a lot of permatease all up in here. So we're gonna put it this way. Just want to get that all loosened up in there. We'll see which way she wants to part when I'm done. So I want this way. I don't know if she'll do a middle part. Do we want this way? No, I definitely think I want the other way, right? Just want to get it all loosened up in there. It's not here, it starts like right here. So we want to get that all loosened up. Okay. And then, I don't know where I want to part it. Will she do a middle part? Sometimes I prefer a middle part. Let me see. Can I do a middle part on this one? I might be able to. Do I want a middle part? I don't know, I think it looks a little better on the side, don't you? Got a lot of flyaway hairs in my face. Yeah, I think it looks better this way. Okay, so let's get her combed out good. And the shaking her up is really, it's to loosen up those fibers. I still feel like I need more water. I feel like my water bottle is running out of water. Yeah, I need... I don't know, I'm almost liking it better in the middle. You know what it reminded me of in the middle? It reminded me of Finn. Reminded me of Finn a little bit. And the only thing that's bothering me is yesterday I went out with, I think it was Cerise. Yeah, and I have to tell you, so I have been absolutely fine wearing my wigs. Let me see if it's too far. I have been absolutely fine. Not embarrassed, not afraid, not self-conscious, not anything. Wearing my wigs to work with my clients. And I have to tell you, I went out shopping to Kohl's with my granddaughters yesterday, and I kept seeing myself in the mirror, you know, when the blocks that they have. I was so self-conscious. I felt like, oh my God, I look ridiculous. I look like I have a wig on. Everybody must know. I felt like my part was so visible, and I had, I think it was Cerise. Cerise, is that the name of her? She was the blonde. She looks similar to like this, but I had her in blonde. And it just felt like it was so big. I felt like the part looked so... It was the first time that I felt self-conscious about wearing the wig. It was a different feeling because I have been feeling like I don't care. Like, I don't care. I don't care if they know I'm wearing a wig. But it just like, every time I looked in the mirror, I was like, oh my God, I look ridiculous. And it was strange. It was very uncomfortable. And I was like saying to myself, like, Pamela, what's going on? Like, why are you feeling like this? Why do you care? Why do you care all of a sudden? Why does it matter? You've been wearing wigs out in public to work for about a year now. More, you know, so why, and you wear a different wig every day. Why does it matter? You know, now you're out shopping. Why does it matter? And it was just so funny. And I was literally looking at every single person's hair. And I, you know, and seeing how, oh my God, their hair looks so different. And it looks so flat to their head. And my hair looks so big. And it was just strange. So, that's what I'm conscious about right now, because I have to take my granddaughters back to Kohl's. you know, I have to take them back to Kohl's because we didn't get everything that they wanted. So I have to take them back. So now all my brain is thinking is you got to go back and you got this big old wig. Everybody's hair is flat to their hair. And you can see everybody's, you know, hairline. And you got these, you know, this big old wig that's, you know, high as can be. But I like how it looks. Like I like how this looks. So this one looks much better than yesterday though. So I got to figure out though what to do. You know, the dark brown looks much better. But this got a lot of permatease, and so you can, I feel like I got to put some root in there or something. You know, that's the problem, is that you can see all that permatease. You know? But I don't know, I like it. It looks cute. So this is Modern Beachy in caramel brown melt. All right, so I will report back at the end of the night if I went to the shops or not, if I went to Kohl's and I was brave enough to wear her or I put something different on. All right? Bye, guys. I'll check back later. Bye. So here's my nighttime review, and I would not have worn this out of the house. I did not go out. I did not do a good job preparing this. This is too wiggy, way too wiggy looking. This part needs a lot of work. So I didn't even mess with it. But this part, yeah, it's all permatease right there, you can see. I would have needed to, this part needs a lot of work. This looked way too wiggy. Way too wiggy. This looked way too wiggy. This one here looked way, way too wiggy. I would not have gone out in this one today. Yep, nope. I don't know. I needed to do something with her. I don't know. Gotta fix the part. This needed, and the thing is that it's all permatease right here. It's all thick permatease, so I don't even know like how to fix it. But this is all poof. It's unbalanced poof. So maybe, I don't know. I don't want to play with her now because it's late at night. But I just wore her around the house. She was fine for around the house. But I would not have worn her out. Nope. I would not have worn her out of the house today. I was going to, almost. But, I don't know. When I look in the mirror now, I mean, she looks okay. When I look in the camera, she looks okay. But, I don't know. When I look in the mirror, well, I mean, that little bit of fixing I just did looks okay, but I don't know. Not that crazy about, I mean, her style is cute, but she's got way too much permatease right here. And this part is just all permatease. It doesn't show any scalp. You know, it just looks fake. It just looks way too fake. So this was what? This was Modern Beachy. So I don't know. You need some rooting here, some real dark rooting, or some real light rooting, you know, or something in there. And I need some spray, either some wax spray or some of my where is it? The sea salt spray or something. Put it on. So yeah, I would not have worn this out. I would not have felt comfortable. I probably would have worn it out and been uncomfortable like I was yesterday. Well, probably not. She's not as bad as yesterday. Yesterday I felt really bad. This one probably is covered up a little bit. Like, I don't know. I'm getting too self-conscious now. I don't know. Yesterday really discouraged me, I have to say. Really discouraged me. So, I don't know. I'm a little discouraged now with my wig wearing. I feel like everything's fake now. Like I know I'm wearing a wig. So I gotta break through this again. So any advice anybody wants to give on how you break through it again? Because I was fine. I don't know why all of a sudden it's bothering me now again. But I was fine wearing whatever I wanted to wear. I didn't care if they knew. But I don't know, yesterday I just felt like everybody knows. Like I look like a fool, I look like an idiot. Everybody knows I'm wearing a wig. I don't know. All right, I don't want to stay in a bad mood and put out all this negative energy, so I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you guys, but here's Modern Beachy for today. This is what I wore all day long around the house. All right, bye. This is Pam's adventure. This is my journey. This is my adventure. All right, bye.